Marcus Rietema is our paintedautoparts.com Motorhead of the Week. Back in 1966, Marcus's dad Pete bought this brand new 1966 Ford Country Squire station wagon, and he was very proud of it. It carried the Rietemas on lots of family vacations, and it was Dad's daily driver for 22 years until it developed a knock in 1988. He parked it in the garage, and there it sat for 3 decades. When Pete's health began to decline in 2019, Marcus and his family set out to restore the car in his honor. And once the major mechanical stuff was done, Pete was able to go for a ride in his old pride and joy. Sadly, he passed away just a few weeks later, but Marcus has restored the car to its original glory so his children can connect to their grandfather and to their dad's childhood. And the result is what may be the world's finest example of a 1966 Country Squire. Do you love cars like Marcus and his father? Well, if you do, you could be our Motorhead of the Week. Just drop us a note at motorheadgarage.tv. We'll talk about you here on the show. We do this every single week here at Motorhead Garage, presented by Dragonfire Tools.com. We hope you come along for the ride next time. Until then, we'll see you. Drive safely.